Here we are.
We continue our week of inflatable fun with Hey, Ryan, guess what? Inflatable week is all about these big inflatables that we're playing on.
It's starting to catch on.
Each of us have an audience member teammate. How about this? I'm playing with a traveling nurse. Hey, that's good. From Pittsburgh, North Carolina.
And on my team is Taylor, who's a financial specialist from Long Island. Nice to meet you. Your mother's in the audience, says that we have to win.
Yes.
All right.
Where's your mom?
She's over here in the front. Very proud of us right now. Yep. In our Velcro. Here's the program. You ready? We each stick our piece of tape on the wall and get a number based on where it lands. Whichever team jumps the highest and has the most combined points, that team will win. The audience member of the winning team gets $200 cash and goes home with the trophy.
And more importantly, a trophy.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kelly, you guys go first, so your teammate will start.
Okay.
All right, so
Come
get
on,
in
Caroline.
there. Check your vertical. Yeah, button it up.
Do it.
Good luck.
Do it. Caroline, do it.
Kelly, try and stick on there, too.
Yeah.
Try and get some hang time with the Velcro. Now watch her charge this. Go get it, go! All right, you see what she did? She took a couple bounces.
My hair.
You all right?
My hair.
It's so much harder.
All right, hold on. We got the extensions and everything.
The extensions got stuck in.
You look great.
You look perfect. Okay.
Oh, now we're stuck together.
All right, Taylor.
All right.
Here goes Taylor. You ready, Tayller? You know what to be.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't stick. My bad.
She just went full speed. All right, you all right?
Atta girl.
Okay, good job.
Atta girl. Woo.
All right, Ryan.
Go, Ryan. Go, Ryan. You can do it, Ryan. Oh, shoot.
Yes! Yes! Woo-hoo! Nice job. Congratulations. You get $200.
Ryan's team wins. Even though we can all agree Ryan cheated. Coming up next, the lovely the band performs for us.
Great job.